Number 217, which of these numbers is the largest? Letter A, hours in a year. B, seconds in a day. C, days in a decade. D, minutes in a week. Or letter E, weeks in a month. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. Okay, so let's solve this. Which of these numbers is the largest? So we just need to convert each. So we have hours in a year. So what is the conversion? We have 1 year. That is equal to 365 days. And then 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So therefore, how many hours in a year? So we just need to multiply 365 times 24. Okay? So 365 times 24. So there's no need to multiply this. We will just compare each letter. Okay? So next number, we have letter B, seconds in a day. So 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay? So therefore, how many seconds in a day? So we just need to multiply seconds in a day. So 24 times 60 times 60. Okay? So 24 times 60 times 60. If we compare this, they both have 24. And if we multiply 60 times 60, that is equal to 3,600. So therefore, letter B is greater than letter A. So letter A is not the correct answer. Letter A is not the largest. Okay? So next, letter C. So we have days in a decade. So what's the conversion? We have 1 decade. 1 decade is equal to 10 years. And then 1 year equals 365 days. So we just need to multiply 10 times 365. So days in a decade, so 365 times 10. And 365 times 10, this is smaller than 365 times 24. So therefore, this is also smaller than 24 times 60 times 60. So letter C is not the correct answer. Okay? So next, letter D, minutes in a week. So let's convert this. So we have minutes in a week. So we have 1 week. That is equal to 7 days. 1 week equals 7 days. And then we have 1 day. 1 day equals 24 hours. And then we have 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So let's multiply this 7 times 24 times 60. So we have 7 times 24 times 60. So let's compare this to letter B. They both have 24 and they both have 60. So 60, we have left with 7 and 60, and 60 is greater than 7. So 60 is greater than 7, therefore it follows that 7 times 24 times 60. So this is not the largest because this is less than letter B. Okay? So far the largest is letter B. So let's try letter E, weeks in a month. So how many weeks in a month? So approximately 1 month, that is equal to 4 point something weeks. Okay? Because 1 week is 7 days and 1 month is 28 to 31 days. So the answer to letter E is just 4, 4 point something. Okay, so this is not the largest. So therefore, the largest is letter B, seconds in a day. So the correct answer is letter B. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, math and logic lang, pero but we'll share reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items 'yon, yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking Messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.